We've got AstraZeneca's first quarter numbers on the 28th. I'm interested in that only in the context of the pharma industry more broadly and the Trump administration's approach to drugs prices, because that has affected the AstraZeneca share price. And I think the bigger question, around pharma is really, given with Robert F. Kennedy in charge of health in the US, what sort of tariffs or import duty will they place on drugs going into the US, and how badly will it affect the companies like GSK, Haleon and AstraZeneca?
Yeah, and actually, the other point on AstraZeneca, but also pharma more broadly, there were reports via Reuters sources earlier this week that were saying not only is the Trump administration looking at pharmaceutical tariffs, as they've long been talking about, there's also the potential for the Trump administration to look at drug pricing. And these sources were reporting that they want to bring US drug pricing in line with that seen on this side of the Atlantic. And actually, what I thought was interesting was a few people within pharmaceutical firms have been quoted within this piece, and the general vibe was that would be more catastrophic to their businesses than if they slapped a load of tariffs on the sector. So you could be looking at potentially a sort of double whammy on that front.
Well, let's hope not, eh? For
Well,
their sake. Because, basically farmers are really good at revenue income earner for
yeah.
particularly defensive, the defensive side of the UK index. And obviously AstraZeneca, I think, is up there with HSBC as the biggest company on the FTSE 100. So what happens to it matters in the context of the UK blue chip.